Okay, so I am making a video again. I haven't made a video in a while. I haven't really been feeling like I wanted to make a video. I've been dealing with like seasonal affective disorder, which I tend to get every year in the winter. I get very like depressed and down, and I just haven't really felt like in the mood to make a video or anything, so that's why I haven't made a video for a while. But I thought today I would show you what I got from the Black Friday sales. I know it was a few weeks ago, but I was actually waiting for one of the things to arrive because I ordered it and I had to wait for them to get it in, but I'll tell you about that in a bit. So yeah, as you can see, I'm sat here by the Christmas tree. This is the first Christmas tree that I've had in this flat. It's actually the first Christmas tree that my boyfriend has ever had, and he allowed me to have one this year. I didn't actually want one any of the other years, but this year I felt like I just wanted to make the tree look nice and decorate a bit more than I did last year, because I felt like it was missing a tree in this corner of the room last year. I don't know, I just felt like this was the perfect little space for it over here, and I felt like I wanted to do it this year. So this is my tree. I'm quite happy with how it's turned out. So yeah, but let me get on with showing you some of the things I picked up in the Black Friday sales. I think some of these things might actually end up getting wrapped up and put underneath the tree for Christmas for myself as gifts, because you know I like to gift myself. So yeah, I picked up a few things online and one thing that I got in the shop, but then it was sent to me. So I'll start off by showing you one of the things I picked up in the shops. So I got this pair of shoes from J.W. Anderson. This is the box. So yeah, I wanted these shoes for quite a while now. And I thought it would be a good idea to get them in the Black Friday sales because I can get like 20% off. They had 20% off like shoes in Selfridges and in Liberty as well, and I think like Harrods might have had like 10% off. So yeah, these are the shoes that I got. This is the box. So yeah, they are the black chain loafers from J.W. Anderson, which I'll show you. They look like this. Yeah, I think these are super cool and I've wanted them for a while now. But yeah. So yeah, they're like just black. Sort of like Birkenstock type shoes with this gold, big thick gold chain on the front, which I really love. So yeah, these are normally like £495 and they were 20% off, so they were like about £400 instead of £500. So yeah, I was quite happy with that. So yeah, I went to Selfridges. They only had the men's ones in a size 41, so I couldn't. These are the women's ones, which I think look a bit cuter than the men's ones. The men's ones are a bit more like flat and they looked a bit more like flipper-like on my feet. So I didn't like those ones as much. I did try them on. They had them in a 41 in Selfridges in the men's version, but they didn't have the women's one in the 41. So I went to Liberty's. They didn't have the them in the 41 either, but they did tell me that I could order them, and then if they had them, they could send them to my house when they received them. So yeah, they did that, and then I received them like a week or so later. So yeah, got these in the Black Friday sales. I really like them. It's good to save some money on things like this because I feel like things like this kind of will eventually go on sale anyway at some point, but these are quite popular in the black, so I don't think the black goes on sale very often. Obviously, like the more seasonal type ones will go on sale more likely. So yeah, I can show you what they look like on. I just think they're really cool, and yeah, I like the big chunky oversized chain on them. So yeah, that was good. Yeah, because apparently all of the shoe departments in Harrods and Selfridges and Liberty are all run by Kurt Geiger. So I didn't know that. I don't know if any of you knew that. But yeah, they're apparently all run by the same company. And so these were actually sent to me from Selfridges, even though I bought them from Liberty. Because they just kind of, I guess, share the stock around. So if there's no stock in one store, they can send it to another store, and because they're run by the same company, it's like the same thing. So yeah, I didn't know that, but if that was quite beneficial, I guess. But it was weird because although these were sent from Selfridges, when I went to Selfridges, they didn't have them. But also Selfridges has multiple boutiques across the UK. So they have one in Birmingham and in Manchester as well. So it might have been sent from one of those, or they might have just got stock in a bit later after the sale in Selfridges. I don't know. In Oxford Street, I think that is what happened. I think they got like stock of them like afterwards in Selfridges. I don't know, maybe somebody took a pair back or something, who knows. And they had a pair. So yeah, and then this is the dust bag for the JW Anderson. You just get one white dust bag. The only thing with ordering them was that when they were sent to me, they weren't packaged very well, so the box got a bit bashed up, which I wasn't very impressed with. Yeah, it's a bit bashed, which is annoying when you're paying so much for shoes, but I got them on sale, so I can't complain too much. So yeah, I also got another pair of shoes from Christopher Kane. These were from Matches Fashion, so this is the box. I actually saw these in the summer. They're actually sandals, so they're totally impractical to wear at the moment, but I just really like them. So yeah, this is the dust bag. And I'll show you what they look like. So they came like this. They've all got all this packaging. I'll take this stuff out. They had like 30% off on the Matches Fashion website. I think these shoes are actually reduced even more now, but yeah, I'll tell you about that in a minute. So yeah, this is what they look like. They're sandals, so like I said, they're totally impractical to wear in the winter at the moment, but I obviously got them for like next year. I've been really into sandals like this year, obviously not at the moment because it's winter, but yeah, I got my Chanel dad sandals and I've just loved wearing them, so I've just super got into this kind of style of sandal this year. So yeah, they're in this like neon green color, which isn't really showing up very well on the camera. But yeah, it comes with this tag to say that if you want to take it back, you have to leave the tag on, but I haven't taken it off yet. So yeah, they just look like this. I think they're really cool. I actually saw these on the Christopher Kane website, but they didn't have them in a size 41 on the Christopher Kane website, which I thought was really weird. They had every other size, but not 41. And the only shop online which had them in a 41 was Matches Fashion, and they only had one pair in a size 41. So on Black Friday, when they had 30% off, I snapped them up, and they were 30% off. So yeah, I said that. But yeah, so I thought I want to get them because that's the only pair in a size 41 that I'll be able to get. So if I don't get them now, then I might not be able to get them, and I'm getting some money off them anyway. But I kind of knew they'd get reduced even more. And they have now been reduced on the website, I think like 45% off or something like that. I will leave a link in the description. They have them in like all the other sizes, but not the size 41. So if you like these shoes, you can get them like 45% off or something at the moment. So yeah, I really love them. I think they're really cool. Yeah, these just Velcro strap shoes I've just been loving, and this neon green color, I've got quite a few things in this neon green color now. I've got like a Prada bag in this color, I've got like a Balenciaga wallet, I've got like my other Balenciaga triple S trainers, and I just find this color, surprisingly, out of all of the neon colors, goes really well with things in my wardrobe. I just find that it complements things well, like the colors that I wear. Whereas I feel like neon yellow and neon pink and stuff just don't complement as well. But this neon green, I just love it, and it just goes with loads of things. So yeah, they like this on the bottom, which is a bit weird. Yeah, and they've just got like stickers on them to say that they're size 41. But yeah, this is the only size 41 that they had. So that's why I got them on Black Friday, because otherwise I thought I'm not going to be able to get them. Christopher Kane doesn't have them in 41. I don't really understand it. Like, weird things are happening at the moment in retail. I think that they didn't get the 41, I guess, because they think maybe most people aren't going to be a size 41. So they just didn't order it. Even on the Christopher Kane website, they never had the size 41. So anyway, the size 41 is actually the right size for me. It fits me perfectly. So yes, I did need to get the 41. So I'm happy that I got those in the sale as well. I'll put them back over here for now. I'll show you what they look like as well. So yeah, there's a couple pairs of shoes that I got in the sale from Matches and from Liberty. I mean, even the JW Anderson shoes aren't particularly practical for the moment because they're kind of like open at the back, so your feet will get cold. So obviously the sandals are no good either for the moment, but I'm gonna wear them next year. So yeah, I mean, retail is so bizarre at the moment. Like, a lot of shops don't have stock of things. You know, if they do, it's like completely out of season. And yeah, so you just buy what you like when you can. So anyway, but one thing I did get, I got a couple pieces from the Zara Black Friday sale. They didn't have a really great Black Friday sale this year, I felt like. Like a few years ago, they had like 40% off like most things, but this year they had 40% off quite a selected range of things. But there was a couple of things that were in my wish list that I wanted to get. One thing is these boots, and these are actually like practical boots that I can wear at the moment, and that's kind of why I got them as well, because I really needed some like practical winter boots. So yeah, I got these leather, like big chunky sole winter boots, and they're in this really nice kind of, I love this color as well. Like, this is like a taupey, minky, grey, brown color. I'm really into it. I find like this color goes really well with a lot of things in my wardrobe as well. So yeah, and I just thought that these will be fantastic in the winter. And I have actually worn them, but I haven't cleaned the sole because I hate people that like touch the soles of shoes when they're dirty. Like, I always clean them. So yeah, but they're really good for like rain and, you know, leaves and everything. They'd probably even be good in the snow. The weather in the UK at the moment is so miserable, so you really do need shoes like this. So these were on sale. I can't remember how much they were. I think they were like £90, and then they were reduced to like £53 or something like that. So yeah, I just saw them like randomly before the sale and thought, oh, those would be really good, because I kept buying like sandals like that because I just was obsessed with sandals, and then all of a sudden we were like in winter and I'm like, I can't wear these. I need some boots that I can actually wear, because all my shoes were like sandals because I was just obsessed with them. But yeah, obviously these are kind of a little bit like Bottega kind of style, with the big chunky soles, but I didn't want to get like the Bottega ones because I think they're a bit trendy, and obviously this is kind of like a trend item, and yeah, I don't actually like the Bottega ones, and I just thought this colorway was quite unique, and I haven't really seen any of this kind of color. So yeah, I got those in the sale, and I also got a coat, and I can show you what this stuff looks like on as well. So yeah, I got this coat. I will show you what it looks like on, because obviously you're not going to be able to see it when I'm sitting down. Which I saw like at the beginning of the winter season in Zara. I had a green like trench coat that I used to wear all the time, and it was like so done, and I was like, no, I need to get rid of that and buy a replacement for it. So I got this one. It's kind of like, it's got a hood, and yeah, it's just, a basic coat. But this was quite a good deal as well. I think this was like £53 as well. Also originally £90. They still have these items on the website as well if you want to check them out. I can leave them in the description. Because yeah, I don't think they sold out or anything. They just had 40% off on Black Friday. Obviously, there's going to be more sales after Christmas coming up, so you can probably save money on things then as well. I will of course be shopping in the Boxing Day sales as well. So yeah, but anyway, I thought I would just do this little video to show you a couple of the things I picked up in the Black Friday sales and show you my Christmas tree and tell you a little bit why I haven't been making videos. But I will hopefully make some videos again in the new year. I probably will do maybe some videos of like Boxing Day sales, I'm not sure. But yeah, the UK is super miserable weather at the moment. London is really busy with people at the moment. So I haven't really felt like doing vlogs out and about either, because it's just really busy, really hectic, really cold. Obviously now, again, you have to wear masks in the UK as well. So I just haven't really been motivated to do vlogs. But yeah, I hope you all have a nice Christmas period anyway, even if you don't celebrate Christmas. So yeah, we did actually go to IKEA to pick up this tree. It was really, really cheap and I think it looks really, really good. So, so yeah, if I don't see you before the end of the year, I will see you in 2022. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. So I will see you in my next